What's the meaning of calcite? Calcite. Calcite.
Calcite. Calcite. Calcite is a mineral that is widely found in nature. It is a carbonate mineral composed of calcium carbonate and is often used in the manufacturing of cement and lime. Calcite crystals are transparent to translucent and come in a variety of colors, including white, gray, green, and blue. The crystal structure of calcite makes it an essential mineral in many geological processes, such as the formation of caves, stalactites, and stalagmites. The unique optical properties of calcite also make it useful in a range of applications, including polarizing microscopes and lenses, optical filters, and LCD screens.